Hello and welcome to another video walk around. My name is Christian. Today we're going to be looking at a 2020 Toyota Sienna SE. This is an 8-passenger minivan in salsa red pearl, and under the hood you'll find a 3.5-liter V6 driving on 19-inch wheels. Some of the great exterior features we'll find on this Sienna include the black grille, badging and trim that come with all Nightshade packages. We also got great features like a power liftgate and power sliding doors. But now why don't we hop inside and see what else the Sienna has to offer. Helping us inside is our key fob here. It's got our lock and unlock button, our automatic power sliding doors for both sides, and we also got a power liftgate button on the bottom, which we will get to in just a moment. Press that unlock button once for the driver's side. We're going to take a look in the front first. On the bottom of the door, we have some storage space that runs along the entire side. On the top, you have your power windows, locks, and mirrors. Next to the door, you do have a nice little storage compartment. The Sienna is equipped with all-weather mats and dark charcoal leather. And on the bottom, you'll find your power seating adjustment buttons. We got our key right here. We're just going to start this Sienna up. On the left side of the steering wheel, you have these arrows right here, and this will just help you cycle through any audio that's playing. On the left side, of course, you also have your volume buttons, voice recognition system, and your hands-free calling. On the right side, you have your cluster, which will help you cycle through the multi-information display you got up top. Underneath that, you have your Toyota Safety Sense with dynamic radar cruise control and lane departure alert. And behind the wheel, you have your cruise control speed settings. If we move onto our screen here, right now we are on the home screen. Here it displays any audio that's playing through any device that's connected. If we go ahead and press audio and go to source, that'll take you to your sources. Of course, you have your standard AM and FM options. You also have a choice between USB, CD, and a Bluetooth device. If we go into reverse, you got that nice backup camera as well, giving you those guidelines. Moving down below is our climate control system. It is a dual zone, so you can adjust the temperature for yourself. The passenger next to you can do so as well, and you can accommodate for those rear passengers as well. Down below that, we can press this. You got two cup holders that come out. Next to that, you have your USB and auxiliary, as well as your driver and passenger heated seats and your 12-volt outlet. Moving underneath, you have a shelf and plenty of storage space, two cup holders, and this giant center console that opens up if we just press that button. To open up, all we got to do is hold this left side button, and that automatic power sliding door will open up for us, nice and easy. Taking a look inside, you can see there is plenty of space for those rear passengers. Of course, we're continuing with the all-weather mats in the back here as well. If we move into the center here on the bottom, the second row passengers have their own cup holders as well, these nice little armrests. And these seats do fold down. All we got to do is just pull this upwards. That folds in, and we can slide that forward, giving you access to your third row seating. To open up the back, we got our power liftgate button right here. Just give that a hold, and that'll open for us. Nice and easy. Taking a look inside the back. With the third row seating up, you still have plenty of cargo space on the bottom here. And we have this nice little storage area on the left with this shelf. Of course, these seats do fold down. All we got to do is just pull this, and that just folds right in. Giving you even more cargo space. Of course, like I mentioned, the second row seating does fold and slide forward. That'll give you that extra bit of room. For those third row passengers, we have some storage compartments as well as two cup holders on both sides. To close up, we got a button up top. Just give that a press and that power liftgate will close on its own. Taking a last look at a 2020 Sienna. Once again, some of those great interior features include your backup camera, heated seats, and a tri-zone climate control system. There's still a lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this walk around video. My name's Christian, and as always, drive safe.